How to make a wet bathtub or a shower floor safe. In this video, we're going to take a bathtub and apply a coating to make it safe and prevent slipping while taking a shower. Here's the project. It's a bathtub, pretty standard like every other bathtub, and you can see it's a small size base. We start with what we call the Seal Green Bathtub Anti-Slip Coating Kit. It's a kit that you buy from Seal Green. It comes with a cleaner, the coating, a roller cover, a brush, and a tray. And the reason why there's tools is because you'll see as we use them how handy they become. To start with, you need two products. It's going to be the Seal Green Oil Cleaner Degreaser to wash the bathtub, and then the Seal Green Poly Step Guard with anti-skid to coat the bathtub with the anti-skid. To start with, we recommend to coat several areas of the tub, not just the floor. Number 1 shows the entry of the tub. Number 2 shows the complete floor of the tub. Number 3 shows the curved sides of the tub. And number 4 shows the opposite side, because when you sit in the tub and you need to get up, you will hang on to those areas and can be wet and slippery. Our first step is to mix the oil cleaner degreaser material that comes with the kit, put it in a pump sprayer bottle, like the one you see there, and then just spray all the areas that you're going to be cleaning. After that, we're just going to take a brush with plastic bristles and do a light scrub over all the areas that we're going to coat, just to ensure that the surface is nice and clean and the coating will bond very well to that surface. That includes the areas on the upper side as well as the areas on the floor and every other surface that you may be coating. The next step after that is just to rinse. We just usually a cup with fresh water and just pour it over the areas that we scrub, and that's all you need to do. It will rinse down the drain. The cleaner is environmentally safe, so it will not damage the environment or damage any other areas. And the final step of the preparation before the coating is to dry the tub. Using just a dry rag, just make sure all the surfaces that you'll be coating, and maybe the entire tub, should be dry completely so there's no water interference in your coating as you apply it. Then we take our product, we shake the bottle well, and we pour some in the paint tray, and we use a trim brush to start coating the farthest side of the tub, so that way that area, as you sit in the tub to take a shower or a bath, and you get up, you will be hanging to that area, and you want to make sure that that's not slippery, so it's a nice thing. You notice that we use a trim brush included in the kit, because it's a lot easier to do that with a brush than it is with a roller. The next step is to coat the base of the tub, the floor. And then we take the roller and we roll it in both directions to make sure that we get a nice even coat through the whole bathtub. And we continuously come back to the tray, reload the roller, roll it a little bit to even up the coating and the anti-skid, and then reapply it to the tub until we get a nice even coat all over the place. You'll be doing 2 coats, so after you do the first coat, you're going to let it dry for a little while, and then you'll come back and then apply your second coat. The next step from here is to make sure that the whole tub is actually completely done. You can see here in the video the area that is coated and the non-coated area. You will have a slight little gloss to it, but you will also be able to see the anti-skid. We also make sure that we cover the drain plug as well to make sure that everything that you're going to step on is not slippery. Final step is to take the trim brush again and then just coat the edges of the tub that you typically use for exiting. In this case, the tub is fairly small, so you may have to step in that area when you come in and out, as well as all the way to the back behind the glass doors to make sure that when you try to get up, your hands will not slip and fall. As you can see here, we're finishing coating that edge, and now the top, we'll let it dry for maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then come back and apply our second coat. Sometimes with a first coat, it will just work fine. Depends on your project and your preference. But typically we prefer to apply 2 coats to make sure that we have really good anti-skid apply, and the tub will be safer than maybe perhaps just 1 coat. Here you can see all the edges are drying. The look of the tub is basically semi-gloss, and you can see from the reflection of the light the anti-skid. The anti-skid is very fine, so it's not going to hurt your feet, it's not going to scratch you, but if you sit in the tub, you will not slip, and it will not damage your skin as well in those areas. The final thing that we need to look at as you look at this is that you notice everything is coated, doors, sides, and everything else, to ensure full safety of your bathtub. The last thing that we recommend to do is that there's a couple areas as you get out the bathtub with wet feet. If there's a tile floor or slippery floor, maybe just to coat those few tiles there, as you see in picture number 3, or in picture number 4, the bathroom's small enough and you have enough material, you can actually coat the whole floor, or you can order additional material, not a new kit, but just additional material from Seal Green to cover larger areas or other areas that you find that need coating as well. There are many types of showers in the industry. There is walkout showers like the number 1 typically used for senior people. There's what we call the cowboy shower, a tub in which you have to step out of the tub. That could be dangerous. You need to coat those floors and those surfaces. Number 3 is basically a standard shower with a tile floor. Definitely you want to coat that. And number 4 is basically your standard shower with a fiberglass base and a seat and the ceramic at the exit. Here you can see that if you scan this code, it will take you exactly to the products that we're using here on the Seal Green website. For more information in all these products, questions, or anything you may need to know in the application of this product or other products, give us a call at 800-997-3873 or visit sealgreen.com.